Well, we went on a little journey around Epic Universe, followed it up by going on the Orlando Eye, but now we are finding ourselves here at Air Force Fun to go on, well, a fun ride on a helicopter journey, hopefully to capture some epic shots of Epic Universe and the surrounding theme parks. It's about $45 a person. They do require a minimum of 2 passengers, but we're gonna go on in, hop inside, and go on our little epic journey here, capturing some nice new footage of Epic Universe. I brought along my good friend Molly, so we're gonna go on in and then go on our journey. So let's go check it out. And be prepared that when you come to the iDrive location, it is walk-ins only, no reservations. For us, it is about a 45-minute wait until our flight. And there she is. That's what we're going to be getting on today.
It's me looking down on me. The world above must also be. This could go on for infinity. Color coded just to keep me sane. My world is finally starting to take shape. I press the button and it bursts into life. This time nothing will escape my sight. I see the stars and the planets soon follow. Expect to have the universe by tomorrow. Just sit back and relax, don't worry. The world can wait, no need to hurry.
Why was that so cool? we flew over Epic Universe. Oh my god, that was one of the coolest things I've ever done.
That was super cool.
Oh my gosh. They took our pictures and we're looking at them over here on their little touch screen, but that was one of the coolest things I think either of us have ever done. We did it! We just flew in a helicopter over Epic Universe. We just lived a day in the life of BioReconstruct, y'all. That was probably the coolest thing I've ever done. I thought this was 10 times cooler than the Orlando Eye that I did last week. And our pilot Dale, super cool. He kind of took a wider turn coming in so that we got to see City Walk and the 2 Universal parks. It's $45 a person for a 5-minute ride, which is very quick. It flew by in a flash, and we kind of asked a little bit if we could possibly take a slight detour over Epic Universe. Oh, here comes one right now. We asked a little bit if we could take a slight detour over Epic Universe, and you know, the worst they can say is no, right? I know that they have these certain flight plans that they have to take. But no, they went all out. They flew directly over the Kirkman Road expansion, and we saw ride testing. For, it was more on my side, I feel like. Yeah. But we did get to see some good ride testing for the Wolfman coaster, for Yoshi. What else? We saw How to Train Your Dragon. Yes, dragons. That one I did not expect to see. That one only just began testing this week, I believe. No Starfall Racers testing. That's what I was kind of hoping to see, but that's okay. I guess we'll have to come back and do it again. I don't know. But guys, that was amazing. Okay, and now that our little helicopter journey is over, we actually came on over to basically where we were for our first little Epic Universe adventure to capture some more footage and see what we could see from a ground level view. It is later into the afternoon than our first adventure out here, which I understand is when more ride testing is prominent. And I mean, we did see a fair amount of ride testing from above, so it should be interesting. So this is pretty cool to see. The Constellation Way sign has gone up on this roadway. Okay, so some work here on the corner by Epic Boulevard is taking place. They're moving around some dirt. Okay, so we've been standing here now for about 10 minutes and still no ride testing. We'll give it a few more minutes. Really all you can see from this point is Starfall Racers. Doesn't look like it'll be testing tonight, at least at the time that we are out here. It's about 7:40 right now. Sun is going down. Definitely don't want to be out here past Sunfall, but Sunfall?
Sunfall?
Starfall.
Sunfall.
Starfall. Oh, Sunfall Racers, yes. Yeah, I definitely don't want to be past here after sunset, but we'll give it a few more minutes for sure.
Out here past sunset.
Shut up. Well, I figured by the time we make it back to our cars, it'll be a little too dark to film the outro to this episode. But guys, thank you for coming along. We had a ton of fun today, soaring over Orlando. It was a great time. Not something to do, you know, that often just because how pricey it was. 45 bucks a person for only 5 minutes. I mean, but it can't get any better than flying directly over a brand new up and coming theme park here. Something that I will cherish. Tons of memories I feel like we had from today. Didn't really see any ride testing from the ground, but we definitely saw plenty from up there, which was wicked cool. Stay tuned for plenty more Epic Universe content coming very soon to ParkTwister, and I will see you on the next adventure.